The Rosary is not just about Mary. It is more about Jesus. Pope St. John Paul II wrote in Rosarium Virginis Mariae, "The Rosary, though clearly Marian in character, is at heart a Christocentric prayer. To recite the Rosary is nothing other than to contemplate with Mary the face of Christ." When we meditate on the life of Jesus through the eyes of Mary, we discover that every joyful or sorrowful moment of our life is filled with light and contains the promise of glory. The light reveals the meaning of each moment, and the promise of glory fills us with hope. When we pray the Rosary, our life is filled with meaning and hope.